Children, you are most welcome to the language class. So, today we are doing comprehension from the grammar book, that is 18.1, Shahil's book. It is a picture story, okay? You have to read according to the picture. First of all, this part. Sahil, where are you? Breakfast's ready. Would you please check what Sahil is doing? Breakfast's getting cold. In a minute. So, mother is calling Sahil for the breakfast, and father is telling in a minute he is going to see. Next. What's up, Sahil? What are you reading? It's breakfast time. Oh, Dad, it's such an interesting book. I have been reading this since I got up. Can I have my breakfast a little later? So Sahil's father came and asking that what are you reading? Now it is breakfast time, so come and do the breakfast. Now Sahil is telling that it is an interesting book, and he wants to do the breakfast after some time. Now father is telling, that's not done, Sahil. We must have breakfast together. All right, Dad, come, let's have breakfast. Now Sahil's father is telling, no, it is a time. Everything we must do in a time. So it is breakfast time. We must have the breakfast on time. So now Sahil is telling, all right, come, let's have breakfast. That means come, both of us will have the breakfast. Next. Where is your father now? Breakfast's getting cold. Let me see what he is doing. Now mother is telling, you have your breakfast, and where is your father? Now the breakfast is again getting cold, and where is he now? Now his mother went to the Sahil's room and see, you are reading a book now. What about breakfast? What book is it? Looks interesting. Now mother is telling that what happened? You are reading a book. You are not coming to have the breakfast. So I think the book is interesting. Where are mom and dad now? I am already done. That means Sahil completed his breakfast and telling that where is mom and dad. There they are. I can see they are reading my book and loving it too. Now Sahil came back to the room and he is telling that his parents are loving the book because they have started their book reading. Okay. Now we have read the chapter. We have to do the question answers. What kind of book do you think Sahil was reading? See, the picture is there. It is an interesting story of, I think, Birbal and something. Okay. It is a mythological book. It is a mythological book. How did you know that? I know that from the pictures of the given in the page. Why did Sahil's mother call him? Sahil's mother called him for breakfast. What did Sahil's father tell him? Sahil's father told to do the work in proper time. Say if the sentences below are true or false, then correct the false ones. Sahil's father was calling him for breakfast. It is false. Sahil's mother was calling him for breakfast. Sahil came running to have breakfast. False. Actually, you have to write Sahil was reading an interesting book. Sahil's father went to call him for breakfast. True. So we don't have to change here. Number 4, Sahil started having breakfast with his mother. False. Sahil's mother went to call his father. Sahil went to find out what both his parents were doing. True. The three had breakfast together. False. Sahil had finished his breakfast alone only. Do you think there is anything funny in the story? If yes, write what it is. In the story it is said that we must do our work in time, but if we get any interesting book, we get more excited and we started reading. Even the elders also do the same thing. Okay, so this is the comprehension you will do by yourself. I have given you, and as usual I will give the answers. You will check it afterwards. So read the chapter at first by yourself, then listen the video, then write the question answers. Okay, and the answers you have to write in the book. Answers you have to write in the copy. Sorry, answers you have to write in the copy, and true and false you will have to do in the book.